Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Anish and in today's video we'll discuss what you should do in the remaining 80 days for GATE 2024. I wanted to share some experiences and tips that might just help you reach your goal. If you are feeling overwhelmed or unsure of what to do in the last few days, stick around because this video is made for you. So what you should be focusing on in this crucial 80 days? Well, let's break it down. If you have two small subjects or one big subject left, my advice would be to wrap those up within this month. On the other hand, if you have between 2 to 3 subjects left, then what my recommendation would be is to cover those with the help of crash course. And if you have more than 3 subjects left, what I would suggest is to cover the scoring topics and leave the lower weightage subjects. I recommend holding off on studying new concepts after mid-December. Instead, dedicate this time to revision and focusing on test series. Speaking of which, let's talk about deadlines. Starting from December, start your full-length test series and intense revision if you haven't already. Remember, the most crucial aspect is to solve what you know, emphasizing quality over quantity. Now, let's dive into the revision process. Begin by solving the questions that you weren't able to solve previously or seemed a bit tricky. Periodically review the short notes for those topics where the concepts tend to slip your mind. Resort to full notes only when you have forgotten the concepts fully. If time permits, consider creating an ultra short notes, a concise collection of formulas and meanings of each term. Remember, this step is optional and depends on the time you have. Now let's talk about the test series. You can give bi-weekly or weekly full-length tests depending upon how much time you can give. Aim to use a small writing pad for doing your rough work during test. This will give you an impression of the actual GATE exam and give you a feel of the environment. During the initial stages of test series, focus more on accuracy than speed. Speed will come naturally as you become more comfortable with the process. You don't need to overwhelm yourself with overly difficult questions. Also, pay attention to your mistakes, whether they were conceptual or silly errors. Try to make a note of your silly mistakes and use these notes of questions and silly errors to continuously improve yourself in the upcoming tests. Alright, let's tackle the most crucial aspect, that is maintaining motivation. The last few months of GATE preparation can be the most challenging. With semesters, vivas and GATE studies, it's easy to consider other options. However, sticking to your plan, even if you can devote less time, is crucial. Remember, others around you are also facing similar challenges. And of course, prioritize your health. Don't worry, you don't need to be perfect, just give your best. All the points that I spoke here were best suited for me. You should pick points according to your style that will give you the best outcome. If you found these tips helpful or if you have any more questions, feel free to connect with me at TopMate. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and remember, you have got this. All the best for your GATE journey.